Fix my AK, slave. I've got killing to do. I got the Class 4 Master Engineer working on my pulse rifle. It'll be back in action. Plasma pulse rifle.
We look at the light coming from the planet, and we put that light up like a rainbow. Now, if you look at a rainbow in the sky and you look really, really carefully, you will see some dark lines. You'll see some colors missing from the rainbow. And those colors are missing because of absorption by gases in Earth's atmosphere. So effectively, we're getting a rainbow from another planet, and we're looking for dark lines that tell us what kind of gases are in the atmosphere. To better understand how
no bird?
atmosphere, NASA scientists study microbial mats at California's Moss Landing.
Microbial mats. Microbial mats are important to NASA for a whole bunch of reasons.
There's a microbial mat. It's covered in fur, though. It's definitely of extraterrestrial origin. Look, it's trying to communicate. Behold, I can groom myself.
Methane is a gas that's produced by other organisms that use the organic matter that's in these mats.
You have to drill the hole bigger to get that stupid screw piece out.
We can look for the signature of oxygen or water on the planet, and at least that would give us an idea of what forms greenhouse gas among the present day to produce oxygen and what that type cycle. Our atmosphere is not stable without living organisms. It would have been evaporated away by now. And so if you're looking out in space and you detect around the star a signature of the chemicals that we know exist below, that's very similar.
I need a fucking shower. I'm stinky.